borrowed my mom's camera to go to Warped Tour a few days ago. And that almost broke too because it was downpouring and everything, but I have pictures and videos from there that I could probably upload. So, and I'll hopefully be posting new pictures on my MySpace soon as well. So, yeah, sorry subscribers. And to all my Boy Love subscribers on my other YouTube, yeah, I'll be making a new one as soon as possible, so, alright. Okay. Toodaloo, my loves. So